Hi Nathan. I just wanted to do a quick video, just quickly explaining what I did today quickly. So I just did a little bit of a cleanup, mainly to do with the twin stick code. So when the game starts, it does what it was doing before, but this time if you press P, it will pause the game and it will automatically make a HUD which says pause. If you press P again, it will remove the HUD and the game state will continue loading. So this is really easy if we wanted to change this to load a menu, or obviously you can see how useful this is. Secondly, the rotation script still works, and not only does it still work, but it also fires from the gun turret. I'm still doing some of my my debugging scripts, such as shots fired and hit, just because I was having a few problems with that. But relatively, it's working a lot cleaner now. Yeah, it feels quite intuitive. We do need to test this on several computers, because I did it at uni, and it's running differently than it's running at home. So I don't know why, but we need to test why the firing rate changes from computer to computer. But on my home computer, you can see the quicker you click it, the more bullets that come. But at uni, it will only do it like every 2 or 3 seconds, so you can't do as much rapid fire. I think I've solved that, but I'm not entirely sure. So yeah, you've got the pause system and the firing system. The twin stick code is here. So yeah, if we have a look, most of this isn't relevant anymore. So what I've done is I've just done the up vector from the gun turret, and the gun turret is this object here. So this can be changed for a different model if we want to. So if you want to model a cannon, we're ready for that now. The ship can also be changed, so that's not a problem. The one point I wanted to remind myself in this video is if we go to twin stick pawn and we go to the event graph, under this option here, this chooses when the shots get fired. So if you want to have a different key, we have to change it. So we could say E, for example. So if E was pressed, that one, boom, we just change it here. Obviously we can't change it in-game, but for the purpose of this, it does what it needs to. There's nothing stopping us making multiple buttons for firing, so we could also do like something like this. So when we play the game, I press the spacebar and I fire. I press the mouse, it fires. So yeah, we can even add it for a game controller, whatever it is you want, really. So yeah, that's just the section here. I try to make it really simple. So there's an event which is called fire shot, and that's basically this here. So if the shot gets fired, the function makes a branch where can you fire, and obviously you can fire because the game's not paused. If that's true, you spawn an actor, which is the projectile, and then you make a transform from the gun turret, and you get its world location and you get its world rotation. You whack that into where it spawns, and Bob's your uncle. To this, all is now irrelevant, and I've just made it really clean and short. But yeah, if we want some more functionality later, maybe some of this would be useful, but I'm not too sure. One thing you are going to want to know, again, is the direction of the bullet gets taken from this vector over here. So get up vector. This is the godsend which I've been looking for. So what this does is it gets the up vector from the gun's rotation in time. As you can see, it's an event tick. Once it gets that vector, when the shot's fired, it uses this over here. which can probably be placed here now. And I've done the same over here. So really, we don't need to do the equation here anymore. No, we don't, because that's not even being called. So yeah, it's just gun turret, get up vector, boom. And that should still work. One thing I haven't done is you can still shoot like that. So there's no cap, it's just a full 360 spin on the x-axis.